I'm ready. All right. Oh, look how bad this is. I wouldn't have left it there, would I? That would have been so dumb. Oh my God, what is happening? Fuck it. The battery died. All right, so this is car number 3, episode number 3 of cleaning our cars on the driveway on a Sunday. I'm exhausted. Good morning, beauties. It's the last car. We're doing the Huracan. It is the most disgusting of the 3, believe it or not. I'm exhausted and I don't want to do this anymore, but this thing is disgusting. So we're gonna use a ton of bug remover on it because it's covered in bugs. We're gonna use a ton of wheel cleaner because the wheels are disgusting. And we're just gonna really do a good job detailing this thing because she's pretty bad. The interior is also really dusty. That's gonna be a Monday problem. So we'll deal with that another time. All right, so we've got a pile of mess at this point. Just car cleaning disaster everywhere. But we are definitely using the wash and wax from Hayes Detail Products. I've already preloaded it in my foam cannon. We're gonna do a foam cannon situation again because it's fast and super effective and I love it. We are going to use Hayes Wheel Cleaner and then we are going to use, Quick Detailer's now gonna find a new home in my frunk. This is what I'm gonna carry around with me to make sure it actually stays clean in between washes. And then we're gonna hit the car with some tire shine as well because I'm really bad with putting tire shine on the car. So now I have a really good excuse to use it. This stuff smells amazing and I've heard nothing but great things about it. So I can't wait to try it. We are gonna go ahead and rinse down this car as best as possible. And then I'm gonna hit it with some bug remover and some wheel cleaner. And then I'm gonna foam blast it with the foam cannon. Let's get going. Also, just in case you haven't heard, I'm obsessed with this little thing. It is the lightest, coolest little power washer I've ever owned. It is the easiest thing to use. It's got a whole bunch of accessories and different nozzles. JRP gifted it to me last year when I was in the auto show, the Toronto International Auto Show, and I'm obsessed. I got rid of the other 2 power washers that I had and just kept this one because it's a bajillion times better. I've used it for everything around the house and obviously for the cars every weekend when I'm actually cleaning the cars. All right. This is just cold water from the garage tap. That's the word I was looking for. This is my pre-soak. This is my rinse down, trying to get all of the surface contaminants off. Then I'm gonna spray it with some product, like I said, the bug cleaner and the wheel cleaner, and then the soap. And then we'll do a good scrub down because this is definitely gonna need it. I thought there was already wrap damage, but it's just 12 billion bugs stuck on the front of this car. I'm curious, guys. Comment below. I want to know how long you think this year's wrap is gonna last me. Is it gonna last me half the season? Is it gonna actually last me the full season? Comment below because I'm curious to see how much damage is already on this thing, A. We'll find out in a minute when I start shampooing the thing. And also, of course, how much abuse it's gonna go through this year.
What's next?
We are gonna switch the nozzle on this to my foam cannon. We're gonna blast this thing with a bunch of soap. Actually, no, I'm lying. We've gotta hit it with bug remover. For Christ's sake. We've got to hit it with bug remover first, and then some tire and wheel cleaner, and then we're gonna hit it with the foam cannon. I take that back. Thing is locked and loaded. Let's smash some bug cleaner, bug remover all off of this. All right, so interesting fact about this car as I follow my bum. Interesting fact about this car is that most people don't realize that it's a rear wheel drive. So the Huracan came in 2 versions, an all-wheel drive and a rear-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive is a 610 LP610-4. This is actually a 580-2. The -2 means it's a 2-wheel drive or a rear-wheel drive car, and that it's equipped from the factory with 580 horsepower. Now this also has Exo Shield on the windshield, which is a glass protective film that helps it from getting stone chipped, which has been a godsend. that bug cleaner sit for a bit. I'm gonna hit it with some wheel cleaner, and then we're going to go ahead and foam cannon the thing and get all of the soap on this car. JRP and Borsteiner gifted me these wheels 2 years ago now, almost 3 seasons ago, 2 or 3 seasons ago, don't remember. And they are actually wonderful because they are pretty easy to clean, as spokey and as like angled as they look. They're pretty easy to clean. And also it actually gives me access to be able to clean inside the barrel, which I can't stand when it's super dirty. So I use a little microfiber brushy thing to clean them up, but it's nice when the barrels are all pretty and shiny and clean too. So we're gonna do that quickly tonight as well, as long as my fingers don't freeze off first. I'm so cold. We'll let that penetrate for a little bit and foam cannon this bitch. My favorite part about washing the car is this thing here. I don't know what it is about foam cannons. It's so satisfying. Just completely covering the thing in soap in like 2 minutes flat. I love the smell of this stuff. There's a little bit of soap on the camera. Can you see that?
No.
Okay, cool. Pretty amazing.
What's that?
Oh, the warm water is so nice. My hands are so cold. So, super clean bucket, clean wash mitt, super important. And then we're just gonna scrub this thing down and rinse her off. All right, so we start at the top of the car because that tends to be the least dirty part of the vehicle. And then I work my way down. And then of course, the rockers, the front bumper, and then the rear bumper are the last things that I do because those are always the grimiest. And that just prevents moving any dirt into and scrubbing it into the paint. So we want to try to keep this thing as clean as possible. And then I'll either flip it, like I'm doing right now, and then I'll rinse it off as well a bunch of times. Side skirts. This is a bit of a pain in the butt. Oh, I'm tired. Baby, I'm having the longest, hottest bath when we're done this. Okay, this is my favorite thing ever, besides my power washer. I have a lot of favorite things when it comes to car cleaning products. It's kind of my jam. It's a wash bucket holder, and it's just a universal bucket holder. And it also comes with this cute little seat. So when I clean my rims and dry my rims, I sit my butt on it. See? Love this friggin' thing. Hold, please. I did that before, not on camera. You guys missed that. I was sliding around. I knew I was gonna fall off, and I just went bloop, like just a potato on my side. What do you think? Clean enough? Clean enough.
Nice roll.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. All right, what's next?
Tending to my baby bump and rinsing. We're gonna rinse this thing off, and then I might put you to work again, baby, and get you to dry this thing.
No, I'm an absolute professional at drying now.
You are a professional. Okay, we are loaded, I think. Yes, we are. I haven't changed any of the nozzles that were available for this thing today. I've just left the generic one on. What is this? 40-degree angle, whatever the hell that, I know that means, but I don't know what difference it means for actually rinsing the car off. Anywho, carrying on. I really love cleaning cars. I can't believe you don't love this. This is, I don't know.
I like watching you.
You like watching me do it?
Yeah, you're doing great.
I really enjoy it. I don't know why. It's like my thing. Okay, almost done. We're gonna do the back bumper, and then we are going to get this thing dried off. Do we have the leaf blower at this house, or do we leave it at our other house?
It's at the other house.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a look.
Anyways.
No, I'm gonna blow out the back. I'll show you guys, if I can find it, I'll show you guys a trick for all of this nonsense back here. Dun, da, da, da. We're all done.
That's it?
I think that's it. I'm gonna see if I can find that leaf blower. Fuck it. I wouldn't have left it there, would I? That would have been so dumb. Yes! I got the leaf blower! I swear to God, the battery's I'd be so upset.
Don't blow dirt in
Oh,
here.
sorry. As I just spent the entire day cleaning cars. Duh. This is my leaf blower. I have not charged the battery since last year, so I don't know what's gonna happen. See all these stupid bits and pieces that are impossible to dry and nobody has the patience to actually dry them? I just blast it with air and get all of it out, and then when we actually dry the car, it just makes it so much easier. I'm leaf blowing my car. The battery died. Dang. All right, we're gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna get Lucas to help me dry the car with this enormous fluffy towel. I love that thing. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got some useful tips and tricks. If there's any questions you have, comment below, and of course, like and subscribe. Also, huge thank you to Hayes Detail Products for providing all of the products today to clean the car. I am so thrilled with all of the things that they sent me. Thank you guys so much. Catch you on the next one, guys.